In this video, we are going to see a quick solution to this error that whenever you are trying to add your printer, it says connect to a printer, Windows cannot connect to the printer, operation failed with the error 0x0000011B. So here are some tips and tricks that can work for you in order to resolve this error. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. So what you can do is just open up the start menu and right here, registry editor, or just write regedit, and it will show this registry editor icon. So first of all, just right click here and click run on as administrator. If it asks you, do you want to allow this app? Select yes. And once this is open, you can change some of the settings in the registry editor because it is a sensitive area, what you can do is just take the backup of it. So if something goes wrong, you can always get to the previous point. So let's export the backup. Let's click on file, click on export. And what I recommend you to name the file as the date. Just put the date here and any kind of name that you can easily remember and put it in the familiar location that you can easily locate afterwards. So after that, just save that. And whenever you want to recover that, let's say something goes wrong, you can just always click on import, go to the same location and select that particular file, and you should be able to restore to the previous point. So what you can do is just click on H key local machine, just click on the system and just search for the current control set. Again, just drill down and select control, just drill down again. And you can see that we have a lot of options in the final control area. We need to locate print here. It's all arranged in the alphabetical sequence, so you will have no problem finding it, even though we have an extensive list. Just click on the print, and what you can see at the top, we have the complete link or complete path that we followed to get to this point. Afterwards, in all the files, we want to add one file. Just right click, click on new and click on dword 32-bit value. And what you can do is we will name it something, but you have to follow it in the same sequence. Just write R capital PC, A capital U, THN level. For level, we have to make sure that L is capital for level. Privacy, P is capital, right here, privacy, and just write enabled here. So just check it once, RpcAuthnLevel, and the first letter of each word is capital, then privacy, then enabled, hit enter. And you will also find this name mentioned with the description, so just copy and paste that here. And just double click to open this, and if there is any data value here, just make sure that you remove that, put 0 here, base should be hexadecimal, click OK. And after that, you wanna just close out of here and just restart your computer once. And after restarting, your problem will be resolved, so just try this by yourself. And that's pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.